numbers coming in, the two poll of polls numbers that we have on the screen, 39 to 45 seats for the BJP, says JVC sitting with us here in the studio. Metris gives 35 to 40. Both of them give the edge to the BJP. Two polls that have come out so far. Aam Aadmi Party gets 22 to 31 in JVC poll, 32 to 37 in the Metris poll. Congress, well, at best gets 2, worst gets 1 seat, and others gets 1. Look at it this way. According to the two polls, the average number is the BJP 37 to 43 and the Aam Aadmi Party 27 to 34, 0 to about 2 seats to the Congress Party, 1 seat to the others. Anmol Pawar, shocked?
Swati ji was smiling behind you. ये भी विश्वास नहीं कर पा रही कि ये सही है. जैसे दिल्ली की
Swati's smile only shows that people who work in Times Now are extremely happy people. Well, all right. So we are all happy. Our index frankly doesn't matter. Anand Ranganathan. हमें क्या लेना देना, कोई जीते कोई हारे, हमने तो हर साल आके एग्जिट पोल ही करने.
Navika, so my prediction is right. My prediction is right. If if these poll of polls is going to be believed, you are going to Ludhiana jail.
What is your problem, Anand Ranganathan? I thought you were a friend. Why are you sending me to Ludhiana jail?
No, but listen.
You are going to Tirupati Balaji.
In the annals,
you are going to Tirupati Balaji.
In the annals of when they will list out the reasons why Kejriwal lost. One second. No, one second. In the annals of politics, when they write out and chart out the reasons why Kejriwal lost. I am not saying this just because I am here and I am your friend. The top would be Sheesh Mahal exposed by you. It's a fact.
But let me, JVC, according to me, these are extremely enthusiastic and, extremely on one side numbers. Can you give us the reason why you have, got this kind of...
Navika ji, from 1993 till 2020, whether it's an assembly election or a Lok Sabha election, but for 2013, Delhi votes in a decisive manner. When they want to root out somebody, they send a message. Whether it was in 1998, BJP was thrown out. It took very difficulty for them to come back. In 2013 was a peculiar situation where people were confused whether to choose BJP, where Modi ji is going to become the Prime Minister, or there is a new novel phase coming in the name of Arvind Kejriwal. Confused mandate. But for that, look at 2015, look at 2020. When I went to the ground, when my team went to the ground, what we saw, particularly in rural Delhi, you go to Narela, you go to Burari, you go to Bijwasan, Najafgarh, wherever you go, what you saw was open drainage. What you saw was people paying money to buy water. You can go to Karol Bagh, open the tap and recharge, you get water recharge for 30 rupees per month. But it gets broken because mud water is coming. I saw right in front of my eyes. You go to JG clusters, you go to Balmiki colony near the Balmiki temple, and they tell me this was a house built by Modi ji. But go to the other cluster and you see there, it's sinking. And you go to another cluster where the toilets are going to be 5 toilets to be used by hundreds of people and people standing in queue. That is Kejriwal model of governance. And this is an anger election, which this is not Sheesh Mahal.
Election. I'm coming to you. Anmol Pawar wants to
right.
See, I have figures of the past also. In 2013, the same exit poll showed 4 seats. We got 28. In 2015, they showed 45. We got 67. In 2020, the survey showed 55. We got 62. And in Punjab also, the survey showed 57 and we got 92. But I must appreciate JVC for arguing better than BJP spokesperson. इनका बस चले तो ये अमेरिका में भी भाजपा की सरकार.
No, it's not.
All right, Siddharth Yadav. I'm coming to you, Siddharth Yadav. At the moment, only 2 polls on the screen, and these 2 polls, if you look at the average number, well, the BJP seems to have the edge. Early days yet, other polls have still to give their predictions. So when you take two which are on one side, maybe there'll be the next one or two that will come which will be on the other side. We'll know. But at the moment, the BJP has the edge. Are you taking this with a pinch of salt, or is it a done deal? What do you think?
Navika, the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson was ready with the numbers of discrepancy which the earlier polls have shown clearly proves that he was very well prepared, that the polls, the mood of the Delhi, any voter that you ask, everybody is going to say that BJP is winning. The Aam Aadmi Party has come very prepared. They are very well prepared. He has the data wherever in the past polls have predicted less than what they have got. But this time, what your polls are showing, the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to get even more than that. This is an election.
Well, another poll has come. Another poll has come. People's Insight. I don't know who owns this poll, but this is another poll that has come in. 40 to 44 to the BJP, 25 to 29 to the Aam Aadmi Party, Congress 0 to 1, others 0. Again, the edge is to the BJP. Vivek Srivastava, does this make you nervous? Because three polls so far that have been seen on various platforms, all the four polls are giving edge to the BJP.
No, I mean, it's not possible. It will not happen. Jitni marji dubki prime minister laga le, it's not going to work. People of this city don't vote on the basis of religion or caste. They vote on the basis of economics. And economics of the lower middle class, the JJ clusters, the Purvanchalis, the immigrants who are working, that is with Kejriwal at the best, and the Congress is trying to
All right.
So,
Joining me this evening on the broadcast is Mr. Virender Sharma ji. Virendra Sachdeva ji, who's joining the broadcast this evening. And Virendra Sachdeva ji, इस वक्त 3 polls आए हैं. JVC poll, Matrix poll, People's Insight poll, और तीनों बीजेपी को एज दे रहे हैं. 38 से 43 का एवरेज नंबर दिख रहा है. आज की पोलिंग के परसेंटेज के हिसाब से आपको लग रहा है कि ये नंबर सही होंगे? क्योंकि बहुत से लोग, और ये बहुत सा बज़ चल रहा है कि उतने लोग बाहर नहीं निकले वोट करने जितना बीजेपी ने सोचा था, इसलिए बीजेपी थोड़ी डरी हुई है. आपके हिसाब से क्या ये नंबर सही है?
आप जिस परसेंटेज की बात कर रही हैं, 5 बजे तक 58% था, और अब जो आंकड़ा आएगा मुझे लगता है वो 65% को छुएगा. और इतना मुझे लगता है दिल्ली में 65% इज़ ए गुड परसेंटेज, जो पिछले चुनावों को हमने देखा है. और जहाँ तक सरकार बनने की बात है, तो आज आपके इस पोल ऑफ पोल से पहले लगातार पूरे चुनाव में अगर आपने देखा होगा, जनता का मूड हम देख रहे थे. हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं की मेहनत, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का नेतृत्व और जनता का आशीर्वाद, ये पहले दिन से हम कहते आ रहे हैं कि आपदा जा रही है और भाजपा आ रही है. और मैं बड़ी विनम्रता के साथ कह रहा हूं कि अभी एक श्रीमान जी ने कहा कि संगम की डुबकी काम नहीं करेगी. प्रधानमंत्री जी का हर काम करता है, उनका नेतृत्व हमेशा काम करता है. लेकिन यमुना की एक डुबकी जो हमने चुनौती देकर अरविंद केजरीवाल को बुलाया था, वो नहीं आए थे. उस डुबकी ने यमुना को जिंदा किया है, और माँ यमुना इस बार न्याय करेगी.
पीपल्स पल्स का भी पोल आ चुका है, तो अब 4 पोल ऑफ पोल्स हैं और ये नंबर ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है.
Navika, if I can say, BJP was slightly wrong by a factor of 10. अब की बार 40 पार.
Well,